I definitely recommend this to other students. It's really sociable living here. Also, it's really good value for money.
I like the room sizes, the prices are very affordable, and you find everything you like in your room in these properties.
I'm having a great time here. There are several room types to choose from. In my room you get an ensuite, lots of space, storage and a massive bed.
I feel very relaxed, very safe. It's like my home.
I like having my own bathroom because it means I don't have to share with anyone, so it's always available when I need it and it's always how I left it. The kitchen's a really good area because it's got everything I need to cook. It's even got a washing machine, so I don't even need to go out of the flat to wash all my clothes.
Our kitchen is lovely. It has microwave, cooker, fridge, so for me it's an ideal kitchen.
The kitchen is a good common area. It's got a couple of sofas. We'll go in there to watch TV together and it's a really good chance to just get to know everyone in the flat. The Wi-Fi is really fast here and it means I can stream TVs and film and also get all my work done. I feel really safe here. There's CCTV and it's key and keypad entry to get in through all the doors.
They also have a student warden. If you have any issue, you can immediately call them and they're always there for help.
A 10-minute walk away, there's Parkview where there's staff that can help me out. I get all my parcels delivered there, so I know they're all safe and secure. I can go and pick them up whenever I want. You get all your bills included here in the rent, so it means you don't have to worry about budgeting and you have one less stress at university.
It's very easy to go anywhere in Manchester from this property.
It's a walking distance to both universities. To Manchester University is 20 minutes and to Manchester Met is 25.
Manchester is a student city, so its nightlife is vibrant.
We're really close to the northern quarter where there's lots of independent cafes and little shops and a really good night out as well. There's nearby shops outside the accommodation, so if I ever need any essentials such as bread and milk, there's always somewhere to go.
It's very safe, the room sizes are very good and the team is very professional, very friendly and very helpful, so I recommend everyone to live here.
I definitely recommend living here to other students. It's a great place to live.